Looking for a NutriBullet Blender Combo? Our kitchen appliance experts bought and tested the best blender combo available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect blender combo for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The NutriBullet Blender Combo is a great choice if you're looking for a versatile blender that won't break the bank. It's easy to use with plenty of accessories, and it performed well in most of our tests. However, it doesn't have very refined speed controls or lots of auto programs, and it lacks the sleek, robust styling of the more premium brands. The NutriBullet brand is a firm favorite when it comes to personal cup blenders for smoothies and health drinks, and the NutriBullet Blender Combo combines the convenience of personal cup blenders with the versatility of a full-size jug. It's a great option for larger households that can use it to make one big smoothie instead of several individual portions. The NutriBullet Blender Combo is good value compared to other similar products, but with its smaller price tag come fewer blending functions and speeds. What it lacks in functions, however, it makes up for in accessories, with 2 blending cups if you're in the US, 3 if you're in Australia and the UK, as well as a large full-size jug. The NutriBullet Blender Combo has a small base unit, and while it doesn't have the finesse design and multiple color options available with some of the more premium brands, it won't look out of place in any kitchen. The base of the US model is black, while in the UK it's silver, and it has a small footprint, so won't take up too much space on your kitchen counter. It measures 9.6 x 6.9 x 16.9 inches, 24.5 x 17.5 x 42.8 centimeters, WXDXH, so although it's not wide, it is quite tall. If you haven't got space to keep it on the countertop, it's relatively lightweight. Of 7.3 pounds, 3.3 kilograms makes it easy to move in and out of a cupboard as required. There are 2 personal blending cups that attach to the easy twist extractor blade, and each comes with a go-to lid, so you can blend your drink in the cup, then remove the blade and attach the lid so that you can enjoy your drinks on the go. The personal blending cups come in 2 different sizes, 32 ounces 900 milliliters and 24 ounces 700 milliliters, while consumers in the UK and Australia also get a 17 ounces 500 milliliters smaller cup included with the blender. The NutriBullet Blender Combo's main blending jug has a 64 ounces 1.8 liter maximum capacity, but take note, for liquids the capacity is reduced to 56 ounces 1.65 liters. The jug with the extractor blade attached fits easily onto the base, and there are suction cups on the bottom of the motor unit which secure it all firmly to the countertop so it doesn't move while you're using it. It also comes with a tamper that can be used to move ingredients around while blending. In our opinion, this feels a bit plasticky, but it does the job. This simple blender is so easy to use, you'll barely need to look at the instruction manual. It turned ice cubes into finely crushed ice on the medium speed setting with no effort at all, although with a maximum noise level of 87 decibels, it was quite loud. There wasn't any leaking from any part of the jug or lid when we filled it to max with water and blended at high speed, noise level 83 decibels. We used the medium power level to chop some hazelnuts, and the machine was able to break them down into a very fine texture which resembled ground nuts rather than chopped pieces. The texture was consistent, with just a couple of larger pieces still present, and the noise level was 85 decibels during this test. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.